5 things you should start doing immediately you start making money. Number one, once you start making money, the number one thing you should start doing, just go to market. You see those many clothes you have, you don't need them. What you just need, you just few clothes like 5 or 6, but they should be of high quality, top quality, premium clothes. That is maybe designers or something. Good clothes. You don't need many, just like 5. This will help you so that if you want to dress, you won't be thinking, what will I wear, and all that to be taking you time. You should not have 100 clothes of low quality. All the clothes you have should be of high quality. 1, it will save you money. 2, it will boost your confidence, and it will help you in a way that you will not be like looking for what to wear. Check all those big men. That is how they do. They have style of dressing. That just few clothes, one style, unique style, very expensive, but they are unique. Then number 2 thing you should do, most time you spend 8 hours a day in your room, in your bedroom. Make sure your mattress you use in sleeping is of high quality. If possible, get like orthopedic foam and all that. Make sure your room, that place, the particular place you sleep, you should furnish it to a standard, to a very high standard, so that if you enter there, inspiration will be coming, and if you're outside, you'll be thinking of how to go, home. That is number 2. Then number 3 thing you should do is to make sure that you don't do everything yourself. Hire like PAs, personal assistant, or house help, because these things will distract you. Maybe, for instance, now if you only use doing things, you would like to drive to the market to get some things for yourself, or to clean your house and all that. That time you are using to do those things will make you less productive. So make sure you hire assistants in your house, in your office. That's why you see many people, they have many PAs, PA on this, PA on this, PA on this, because these guys are big people. So you should structure yourself in such a way that you have time for yourself if you start making it. Then number 4, if you start making it, make sure you don't eat in just a restaurant. If you want to eat, go to a high quality restaurant. Even if it's the cheapest food there you can get, but it should be high quality restaurant. Sit in premium places, eat premium food, not all this roadside food. Premium, you understand? That is, these things are to boost your confidence, and when you are discussing with people, you'll be discussing with confidence. You understand? You know that I've been here. If you want to lodge in a hotel, make sure you lodge in a very high standard hotel, premium hotels. Lodge in a very high standard hotel. You can take the smallest room there in the hotel. It doesn't mean if it's only water you can afford in that place, get it, but make sure you live a quality life. Things that will be giving you inspiration. There's some energy in those environment, and then in fact the kind of inspiration and the way you be thinking when you are in those environment is different from when you are in those places that will not inspire you to hustle hard. So that is number 4. Then number 5, upgrade the kind of people that advises you about money. If it's like you need an advisor, look for people that are doing well. They might not be that maybe they are so rich and all that, but make sure they are doing well in their field. If you want to hire an advisor, you are free as at that time to hire an advisor, someone with that is value. Hire people. You can hire people to advise you, financial advisors, or mingle with people that are of high value. Then bonus number 6, don't be explaining yourself too much. Maybe you are in a place, you say, I have this, I'm this. Those people that brags a lot in public, they have nothing to offer. And that's why I told you, number one, go out with quality wares. If possible, put your phone, your gadget should be expensive. Not much. If it's one, very powerful gadget. One, your shirt, high quality. Your wristwatch, high quality, everything high quality. But do not start explaining yourself that you are this, you are that, you are that. You know, most people that talks a lot, they lie a lot. So, and people notice them easily. So do not talk too much when you are in public. If you start making it, don't share things about your life much. Stop bragging. Don't share many things about your life. Live a luxurious life in a gentle way, very gentle. You can be living a luxurious life without spending much. That is the secret. You luxurious life without spending money much. Because if you buy high quality shoe now, before that shoe will go out of fashion, it will take time. If you are buying those cheap ones, at the end of the day, they will be fading out, and that respect will not be coming. People will not be giving you contract. People will not value you. If you are buying watch, buy one is one. If you are buying anything, you are just buying, make sure that these things are of high quality, and don't talk anyhow. You don't go to places and start talking. No. Be careful the way you talk. Observe the room wherever you are. Then if someone brings negative energy to you, if someone is rude to you, you become ruthless. Become ruthless. Take for energy because at times some people might take advantage of your gentle nature and deal with you. So if it's time to keep quiet, you keep, but there are times you give them energy to energy. You understand? So if you start making it know when to react. Someone wants to ride on you, you know when to react. You react and make sure you react very well. And two, you stop like buying things that are trending, like this thing is trending, you must buy it. No. It shows that you don't need to buy things that are trending. Just look for things that are of high quality and buy instead of those things that are trending. So make sure it's not because something is trending, unless it's of high quality and you just like it, not because it's trending. No, never. Start making money, don't do that. Stop buying things because they are trending. Make sure you have a dress style. Make sure you have a dress style like what I told you earlier in this video. Make sure you have a dress style, very simple. You see some people, whenever you are expecting them, there's a kind of dress you are expecting that you will see. Yes, just make it like that. That this is your style of dressing. Make sure that style goes well with your person, so that whenever they see you, they know what they are expecting somehow. Sometimes you can show unusual also, but no problem. But have a style of dressing. Then one bonus I want to give to you: many people in this life, they don't like truth. Most times, there are many things you have to lie about, white lies. Especially like people, like you have to tell them that, you see, some people, they don't like truth. So anything that will make their ego, like for them to feel good, you tell them. If not, most people, if you tell them the truth, you lose them. So learn how to tell like white lies. Learn it, how to tell white lies, and you will see that you will go far in life. If you follow this principle in this video, all these things I've taught you in this video, these things are not magic. They are practical, natural. Everything I taught you in this video, if you do them, you see that very soon you will go far in this life. So it now depend on you to know if you can use this video to help others as well. Just that as you've gotten this secret now on how to make yourself highly valuable. Now also help others by sharing this video to them and telling me, also tell me your mind in the comment section. This is Motivational Decade. Following me, you're okay in life.